Hello everyone, and welcome back to CoCo Finance, your favorite channel for all things finance and investment. Today, we're going to delve into the world of gold investment and explore the benefits it can offer. Gold, a precious metal that has been valued by civilizations for thousands of years, can offer several potential benefits as part of an investment strategy. One of the key advantages of gold is its role as a hedge against inflation. When the value of currency decreases due to rising prices, the price of gold tends to increase. Gold is also often seen as a store of value. Unlike paper currency, coins, or other assets, gold has maintained its value throughout the ages. People see gold as a way to pass on and preserve their wealth from one generation to the next. Adding different kinds of assets to your portfolio is an essential way to diversify and lower the overall risk of your investments. Since gold often moves inversely to the stock market and currency values, it provides an effective diversification strategy. Gold can be easily bought and sold almost anywhere in the world. The global market for gold, along with its inherent value, means you can liquidate your investment at any time. In times of geopolitical, economic, or financial instability, gold is often viewed as a safe haven asset. Investors flock to gold during times of uncertainty because it tends to retain its value. Factors such as increasing demand for gold in countries like China and India, central banks increasing their gold reserves, or decreases in the rate of gold mining can lead to an increase in gold prices. While buying gold can offer these potential benefits, it's important to consider the risks and costs associated with investing in gold. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. That's all for today's video on the benefits of buying gold. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to CoCo Finance for more insightful content on finance and investment. Until next time, stay financially blessed.